something of a rarity. Back-to-back home midweek action in the league. GMB Nottingham Panthers locker room, players, coaches and backroom staff were all adamant before this one against Milton Keynes that it would be a different story and a different outcome and a different performance from 24 hours ago when the GMB Panthers lost, albeit narrowly, to the Dundee Stars. Two familiar faces in the visiting party today, both of them netminders. Mika Wiekman being backed up by Jindrik Henry Packel. Remember those two in tandem last year for the GMB Nottingham Panthers. So Wiekman will start in this one. At the other end, it will be Michael Garnett. Sam Gospel still backs up. Galbraith is left out of the lineup. Bussiere is ruled out with injury. Jan Solveig is back from suspension. Our commentary team is led by Dan Green, and our referees are Stefan Hogarth and Andrew Miller. Yeah, me neither.
Panthers pushing to get a little bit of a higher seeding for the playoffs as Pelini brings it over the line with Jeff Brown. Brown looking for Mokshantsev. Those two were deadly last night together. Mokshantsev and Brown both with a goal in the loss to Dundee. Now Milton Keynes come away. Nice pass there. We have a one-on-one here. First cut lane coming in. Shot. Saved by Garnett and off the post. It did go through the 5-hole, but then it hit the post. Francis Vero-Paul with the first good chance for the Milton Keynes Lightning. The post and Michael Garnett combining to make that save. Now Jeff Brown's in. Brown shoots. Good save by Wiekman. His first save of the night. End-to-end action here to start off with. Nice hit there by Lakovic. He calls the turnover. Mosey shoots and scores. Evan Mosey opens the scoring. But it's all down to the hard work and forecheck of Robert Lakovic turning that puck over. He hits Mosey, and Mosey fires past Wiekman, and the Panthers lead after 2.5 minutes. Very good power play line here for Milton Keynes. Shot coming in, looking for a shot tip in front. Vero-Paul, Phillips, Doucette, Kearney, all their top guys out on this one. Hudson walks in, he shoots, good save, Garnett. Big hit there by Sauvé. Now in front. Rebound there's 1-2 whacks away, and Kearney does eventually put it in. Garnett with the first save, and Denny Kearney on the rebound ties this game up at 1. That's his 48th point and 15th goal of the season. Kearney, their second leading scorer on the power play, ties this game up at 1. Now Doucette walks out the corner, he's looking in front, one-time shot, good save by Garnett. He makes 2 saves there, and he's got it under the pads. 2 huge saves from Garnett to keep that one tied. That was Francis Vero-Paul in front. Shot coming in, Garnett with another save. Garnett being peppered this last couple of minutes. There's Jonathan Boxhill there, another former Panther, another forecheck. Now Mokshantsev, yes, Pelini streaking to the net. Pelini gets it, shoots, good save, Wiekman, and he dives on the rebound and covers up. Puck loose now, he just couldn't quite seal that one. Wiekman with a huge first save from him. And a quick up by Milton Keynes up to Melee. Nice hit again by Jeff Brown, he's been physical. Now King, he finds Melee. Melee has some space to skate into. Melee shoots, good first save by Garnett. Rebounds there, one shot, good save. Rebounds there again, Garnett has it, I think. And Mike Garnett has that one under the body there somewhere. Made a couple of saves, rebound was bouncing around, but he managed to jump on it, and he keeps his game tied at 1. Nice work there by Vascovo. Now Pither walks off, he hits Spang, he fires one. Nice first save by Wiekman, rebounds there. Pither couldn't get a good chunk of that though. Now Pither again behind the net. This line's looking good so far. Delego back to Stevie Lee. Panthers spreading out here using the whole zone. Not in any rush. They got the Lightning camped in their end. Turnover there. Now we got a breakaway the other way. 1-on-1. In on Garnett. Shoots. Big save. Garnett. His best save of the night there. Just waiting to see which Lightning forward that was. Oh, it's actually Stoffler, the defenseman. Now Pelini back to Sauvé. Farmer, he's going to walk out. Farmer in front of Pelini, and what a play by Robert Farmer. The spinorama backhand dish, and Pelini with the simple task of tapping that in to break this deadlock. Great play by Farmer to Pelini. He beats Wiekman, and the Panthers lead 2-1. Good kill though by the Lightning. They escape unharmed after that one. And now Dan Spang over the blue line. Spang in. He shoots and scores! Dan Spang shoots and scores! And the Panthers lead 3-1. Spang over the blue line. He has options left and right. And he fires high glove. And the Panthers lead 3-1 with 2:46 remaining in the period. Now Vascovo. .27 left on this power play. Mokshantsev has it. Nice play by him. Finds Billingsley. To Mokshantsev. He shoots. Nice save by Weekman and he holds on. Boxer will be coming back on the ice in 4 seconds here as Brown enters the offensive zone. Nice move by him. He takes it down below the guard. He sources one in front for Polini. Nice play by him. Now Polini, he cuts to the net again. Empty net. And that's in from Mokshantsev. Jeff Brown and Polini will draw the assist. And that's a 4-1 lead for the Nottingham Panthers. Again, Jeff Brown and Polini with great work. And Mokshantsev left with the tap in. Panthers lead 4-1. Big shot coming in from Sauvé. Nice play there by Weekman. He steers that into the corner. Now Mosey, he twists and turns. Nice play by him. Mosey's in. He shoots and scores. That one's under the crossbar. And what a solo goal by Evan Mosey. His second of the game. He takes it on his backhand and drives to the net and fires it under the crossbar for a 5-1 Panthers lead.
Robert Lakovich joins us on the Highlights Show in association with the legend on Panthers TV with the GMB. Good bounce-back victory against the Milton Keynes Lightning.
Yeah, it's games like yesterday disappointing, and as a team we need to bounce back and get our confidence back, and that's exactly what we did today. I think we played a pretty flawless game and we didn't let up once we got ahead, which we have done in the past. So, yeah, pretty good performance all around.
Saturday, Sheffield Steelers in here, sold out in the bowl. Sheffield have done well in here. You owe Sheffield one and you owe the fans that have had to endure those two shutout wins for Sheffield one as well. Can Panthers build on the win against Milton Keynes?
Yeah, of course. Games like that, they're there to be built on. We played well, but there's always things we can improve on, and there's no better stage to do it on in a full house against Sheffield. So we're going to be ready, and I think come performance time we'll be there.